Everybody, it's DJ Dr. D bringing you another video. Today's video, I'm going to be installing mud flaps to my 2017 Chevy Silverado. Here we go. What we have here is the Husky Liner Mud Guards. They come 2 to a box. I bought the front set and the back set through Tri-County Performance. They come 2 in a box, which is $42.95 per box. Okay, this is the Star torque bit. It's a 15. And this is what you're going to need to put the front and rear mud guards on a 2017 Chevy Silverado. Here we go. I'm going to take these screws out of the front and I'm going to bracket the front guard here and I'll show you how it goes. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm removing these 2 front screws just like this. Okay. That's one out. And I'll be back with how it lines up. Now I find out I have to remove these 2 screws as well. So as you see, I'm removing this one, this one, this one, and this one to put this front on. So here we go. Okay, this is the driver's side, front one. As you see, it lines up nice, and I'm gonna put her on. I have 4 screws to put in. Here we go. Okay, there you go. I got the driver's side front on. Now in the inside of these, you can tell, see this says right front. So that goes on the right side, that would be the passenger side. And the other one had LH front on it. So we knew that went on the driver's side. So there you go, it's nice and sturdy. Now we're gonna go to the back and do the back sides. Okay. I got a Star 15 size torque bit here. I have 2 screws to take out here, and we're going to put the rear mud guards on. So here we go. Okay, I got all 4 mud guards installed. These are the rear. It had the 2-way tape that went underneath. It had the 2 screws to put back in, and they're installed and already in place. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Once again, this is DJ Dr. D. Have a wonderful day.